Chapter 2, ninth class, Paper 1, Polynomials and Factorization, Exercise 2.48. If ax square plus bx plus c and bx square plus ax plus c have a common factor x plus 1, then c equals to 0. There is a condition is given, c is equals to 0. Show that a equals to b. So, solution, what is given? Ax square plus bx plus c, and next what is given? Bx square plus ax plus c. Common factor of these two common factor, of these two is what is given? X plus 1 is given. Put x plus 1, so equating x plus 1 equals to 0. Now send this one that side, then x is equals to minus 1. So by using this minus 1 we can find the values of these, isn't it, these two polynomials, by using which division? Synthetic division. Take this minus 1 here, take the first polynomial, coefficient of x is a, x square is a, coefficient of x is b, and coefficient of constant term is c, isn't it? Now bring down this a as it is. Now minus into plus became minus, 1 into a became a. Now this is add these two, that means b minus a. Now minus into plus becomes minus, 1 into b became b. See here, this is minus and minus, minus into minus became plus, and 1 into a became a. Now add these three, that means a minus b plus c. Understand? A minus b plus c. What is this? This is remainder. Take R1. Now why we are taking R1? This is the first polynomial. Now by using this x is equals to minus 1, divide second polynomial. Now take C, by using synthetic division, minus 1, second polynomial, x square term is, coefficient is b, x coefficient is a, and constant term is what is given? C. Now bring down this b as it is. Now minus into plus became minus, and 1 into b became b. Add these two, that means a minus b. Now minus into plus became minus, 1 into a became a. Now minus into minus became plus, 1 into b became b. Now add these, that means minus a plus b plus c. What we got? This is remainder. This is R2, isn't it? In a condition, there is a condition is given, that means c is equals to 0, isn't it? C is equals to 0. Now see, R1 equals to R2. What is the R1? A minus b plus c, that is equals to R2 is minus a plus b plus c. See here, condition is given, c is equals to 0. Put c equals to 0. That means a minus b plus 0, that is equals to minus a plus b plus 0. C is 0. We are created, isn't it? Now a minus b, what is the remaining? A minus b is equals to minus a plus b. Send this b that side, send this a this side. Whenever we are sending, sign should be changes. Now a minus a becomes plus a, that equals to b minus b becomes plus b. Now a is common, now 1 plus 1, and here b is common, 1 plus 1. Now a 1 plus 1 becomes 2, a2 is equals to b2. See, both side 2 cancel, therefore a is equals to b. Hence it is proved. Understand all of you? Hence it is proved. Whenever we are putting the, as per the condition, c is equals to 0 in this equation, and after that what we have to prove? A equals to b. See, we got the answer, a equals to b. Understand all of you? Yes, this is the answer of the given question. See, 9. If x square minus x minus 6 and x square plus 3x minus 18 have a common factor x minus a. Then find the value of a. Solution. What is the polynomial solve given? X square minus x minus 6 and another is x square plus 3x minus 18 is given, and these two have a common factor, a common factor. What is that? X minus a. Equating x minus a equals to 0, x minus a equal to 0. Now send this a that side, then x is equals to a. By using this x is equals to a, by using synthetic division, find these two polynomials values, isn't it? See, this is a. X square coefficient is 1, x coefficient is minus 1, and constant is minus 6. Now bring down this one as it is 1. 1 into a became a. Add these two, a minus 1. Now a into a became a square. A into minus 1 became minus a. Add these, we get a square minus a minus 6. Isn't it? This is what? This is remainder R1. Isn't it? Why we are taking here R1? We are finding the first polynomial. Now by using this x is equals to a, find the second polynomial. That means a, which division this is? Synthetic division, remember, don't forget. See, x square coefficient is 1, x coefficient is 3. Now constant term is minus 18. Now bring this 1 down as it is 1. 1 into a became a. Add these to a plus 3. Now a into a became a square. A into plus 3 became plus 3a. Now add these 3. That means a square plus 3a minus 18. This is what? This is remainder R2. Isn't it? R2. Now therefore see here R1 equals to R2. Take this, R1 value is a square minus a minus 6, that is equals to R2 value is a square plus this one 3a minus 18. Isn't it? See here both side a square is common, so cancel that, isn't it? Now what is remaining? Minus a minus 6 is equals to 3a minus 18, isn't it? Now send this minus a from left to right. On left side is a negative sign, it goes from right side, it becomes positive. Send this minus 18 from right to left. On right side it have a negative sign, it goes from left side, it's became positive, isn't it? Now see here minus 6 plus 18, that is equals to 3 plus a. Understand? Now minus 6 plus 18 means it becomes, see here, minus 6 plus 18. So what we got? Plus 12. Plus 12 is equals to, here a is common. A is common. Now 3 plus 1. Isn't it? Now see here 4. 3 plus 1 means 4a, that is equals to 12. Now 4a is equal to 12 can be written as 12 is equals to 4 into 3. That means 4 3s are 12 or 3 4s are 12. 4 into 3. On both sides 4 is a common, then cancel it. Now finally a is equals to 3. What we got? Value of a is got. How much value of a? A is equals to 3. Understand all of you? Yes. Thank you everyone.